I'm cooking chicken steak instead of beef steak. Before 2 days, I cook also beef steak. So today I cook chicken steak. First, I marinate this chicken. I put soy sauce, vinegar, salt, black pepper powder, and what is this? Garlic, minced garlic. And then after 1 hour, I marinate. Then I half fry this one. Then where I make fry, I use also this oil. So after few minutes, I will put now this onion rings. This one, onion rings. I think we'll add more some gravy because it's already dry. I like some gravy, so I add more. Then after we have to wait this one to some boil, and then I have to put now this onion rings. This one. Now we have to cover it. We'll check. So now we have to put now this onion rings. Ayan. Para maiba naman ang recipe. I think I will add more onion rings because I like this onion rings with this chicken steak. Now let's check. We'll taste if salt is enough. So this only the gravy is enough gravy. Ayan, tikman natin kung luto na. I think this already cooked because I already half fried this chicken. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wow, sarap. Hmm? So kain na tayo kasi gutom na. 7 o'clock now. 7 p.m. Masarap ito with rice. Kain tayo ng dinner. White rice. Ayan, bagong saing. O, mausok pa. And then ito na yung chicken steak. Yan.